Alright, y'all. Dirt Fishman here, y'all. It's my boys. We want to open up some more little Hot Wheels for y'all, and we want to say our hays. Hey. Hey. Alright, y'all. Let's turn this thing around and open up some cars. Alright, y'all. Up first is going to be the bat plane. Here, open it up. Black bat plane. Can you get it? Yep. Another Owen. Oh, it had it's got a stand on it. Just maybe make it stand up. I got you.
Can I have it stand?
It's got a stand.
Can I have it stand?
No, baby, it goes out here.
Can I hold it? Can I hold the stand?
Check that out, y'all. Check that bat plane out. That is pretty cool. I didn't know it came with a stand. All right, y'all. Well, that's on the turner. We're gonna open up the surfing turf.
Hey.
Hey, you put the trash on the floor.
Sorry.
Can you help the car? That's pretty cool there. All right, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner. We're gonna open up the '89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Open it. Pull right there. Pull.
I want to open that one.
He opened it, baby. Let him open them too.
Oh,
all right, y'all. Here you go. Here you go. Trey, don't whine on the video. All right, here you go, Trey. All right, y'all. Up next is gonna be the Nissan Sevilla. I know, baby. I know.
Oh, my God.
I know. All right, y'all. Check that one out. All right, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner. We're gonna open up the same one, Datsun 510. Here you go, Trey. You better open it up. Yeah.
Can I wait for that one?
There you go, y'all. Check that one out. All right, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner. Open up the '99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. Here you go, Trey.
Knock that off the table.
Oh, open it up, son.
Oh, I have that one.
Yeah, these are older cars that we opening up. All right, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner. We're gonna open up the Hey, this is the same one we already opened up, a different color. '89 Mazda Savannah RX-7.
I can open one too.
Check out, y'all. Got one in the white and one in the red. Here goes the white one, and here goes the red one. Check it out.
Hey.
Twinsies. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for this little video right here. So we're gonna turn this video around and say our goodbyes.
Bye.
Wait a second. I gotta turn it around.
Bye.
All right, y'all. We're gonna say our goodbyes.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.